My Pandora jewelry arrived yesterday, and I just got the piece of paper on there to cover up my address. This is how the Pandora comes in the mail. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I ordered the Pandora's Moments snake chain necklace, and I got the free bracelet, which I've been wanting a necklace for a while, so I'm glad I waited. And I also ordered some of the Pandora charms, the green oval Cabochon charm. And I also ordered the pink oval Cabochon charm and got the free bracelet. And these are two separate orders. It's a free bangle. And as you can see, this necklace has not even been tried on because the package has been sealed. It's sealed up here. I haven't even opened that yet. And so is the bangle. And my charms also. And this bangle also. Which I'm happy about that. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And as I can see, it says that my Pandora jewelry was made in Thailand, which I don't have a problem with that. And I love the Pandora jewelry. And these two are going to go on my necklace. On the bangle, it says forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. I think it's like 6 times. So that's really pretty. And on the bangle, this bangle doesn't have anything inscribed on the side of it. It's just on the heart. But it's still very pretty. And the other one is the same. And I'm going to wear the necklace like that, which is really pretty. Tell me what you think in the comments below. And also tell me if you got the bangle or what Pandora jewelry that you like or enjoy.